Hi, I'm Saul from Websand. This video focuses on how you can import order transactions or customer orders into Websand. The starting point on this is that you would have some existing customer order data, and this focuses on importing the history of that. If you'd like to connect directly to your e-commerce system or to your order processing system, and please refer to our API or the videos that refer to Shopify integrations or Zapier. Enjoy! Okay, this time we're going to import a transaction template. Now, if you remember, the transaction is all about what your customer has bought, what they bought, when they bought it, how much they've spent. So the breakdown of this file is an order number. So this order number works as a unique ID. So if anything changes on that, provided you put the same order number in, it's going to update against that order number. The email address of the person that bought it, what they bought, so that should say item name, how much they spent, and when they bought it. Now, in some cases, there'll be more than one item's name, so that would be what's called a JSON file. For the purposes of this, we're just focusing on a CSV import. If you do have multi-level transactions, then the best thing to do is to connect up via API, which will handle that no problem. That's by far the easiest way to deal with this, or connect via Zapier. So the purpose of this is just show you how to import a simple transaction. So we download CSV file. So that's going to create the data file for the import. Then we're going to go to Websand and we're going to import that file. So the first thing to remember is to select what type of file it is. So select transactions from the drop-down list. Be sure you remember to do that. I'm now going to pick my file. So I've selected my transaction file. Select upload. And then just like the audience file, I'm just going to map the data. So the headings here, these are all mandatory fields. So there's 5 mandatory fields for a transaction. That's what's required for each transaction in Websand. So we're dealing with the minimum amount of data here. So we're going to map transaction ID to transaction ID, customer name to customer, items name to items name. That's the product, total to total, and submit date time to submit date time. Then hit next. Looking for lovely ticks everywhere, which is what we got. Click on Start Import, and that data is going to start to come through. Now, while that's processing, what you can do with this data while it's in is if you go to segmentation first, and then new segments, the 2 key segments really that people use the most are source, which relates to the source field in the audience file, which is where did somebody sign up. So in this case, I want to create a segment for people that signed up with promo, and that would create a segment for all of those people, and also for product, which would allow you to create a segment based on what people have bought. So in this case, let's say it's Laura Ashley Flock wallpaper customers. So in both cases, these segments are what's known as dynamic. So if more data comes in, more transactions come in with Laura Ashley Flock wallpaper as the product name, then those people would be added to this segment. Similarly, if somebody else signed up from the promo landing page with the source code promo, they'd be added to the promo segment. So that's an overview of the data. Any issues, let us know. hello@websand.co.uk. Hope you found this video useful. If you'd like help to grow your e-commerce business through email marketing, we'd love to help. So please get in touch or sign up for a 14-day free trial at websand.co.uk.